Hey, it's Greg Luther, and listen, this is going to be the most profitable real estate agent video that you've ever seen. And I say that because you're going to get yourself some closings. I know this will be exciting for you. You'll want to take some notes on this. Very quick little tip that I can give you to get you closing some more deals. In case you're wondering, I'm in a Marriott. Where am I always at? I was looking on my app today, 2,500 nights in a Marriott over the last several years. Unbelievable. But anyway, I wanted to get with you because a lot of the agents I've been working with here through Greg Luther Inner Circle, they've been doing very well at getting their buyers qualified when their buyers customarily wouldn't get qualified for a house. So let me give you a big promise here, and then you're going to freak out about this. What if I could show you a real simple approach that can instantly raise your buyer's credit score by 40 to 50 points? Now that sounds crazy, doesn't it? They actually guarantee it will be raised by 40 or 50 points within 10 days. I want to give it to you right here. So here's the deal. A lot of times buyers we're meeting with, they've got a credit score of 620, 630, something like that, and they just don't have a really good credit history. Well, we've got a lot of agents that are doing hundreds of closings a year, and they're doing that because they know how to create credit reports for their clients. I shouldn't say create credit reports. That sounds a little unethical. Increase the quality of their credit report through Equifax, TransUnion, that type of thing. So here's the deal. For a lot of first-time home buyers, they don't have many good trade lines. I'm going to give you a website that you can use where they will go out and check with their landlord over the last 2 years and make that an accurate trade line, which guarantees it will increase their credit score 35 to 50 points within 10 days, or you get your money back. Now, by the way, they charge a whole fee of $94. Hell, you could pay that as a realtor, right? But they can pay it themselves. You can pay it, whatever. But for $94, and I don't get paid by these people or anything else. I've got my own coaching program. I don't need all that stuff. But this has worked for our real estate agents to get them an awful lot of closings because their clients literally get a 35 to 50 point credit score bump by simply reporting their credit, or I'm sorry, reporting their rent over the last 2 years. Many of you know if you're renting a house or renting an apartment, they don't show as a trade line on your credit. A lot of them don't. If you use rentreporters.com, it will show as a credit. I'm not sure how to share my screen. I was going to share my screen. I'll figure that out one day. But write this website down, rentreporters.com. There's an S on the end of that. Rentreporters.com. If you go there, it is literally, I can't show you, but I'm going to go there while we're talking. It is literally $94.95. The average increase is 40 points within 10 days. So 40 credit score points. Even if they're decent right now, they're going to get A paper if you do this for them, and they have a good trade line there. So very, very helpful with everything everybody's been going through here lately. When you get a buyer, you got to help that family as much as possible to get them into the perfect home at the lowest interest rate, the lowest monthly payment as well. So this is something, one of my platinum members, I just had a blueprint day with them here this week. And they said, yeah, we've been using Rent Reporters for a long time here, and it works very well. We can pick up a buyer from our Facebook ads or from Facebook Marketplace or wherever they're marketing, heck, from an open house if you want to. You can increase their credit score 35 to 50 points, money back guarantee from that company, by simply just having them contact the landlord to verify they have made their payments every month for the last 24 months. So incredibly helpful to get that 2 year history. Just another quick tip, which by the way, many of you know, if you're involved with Greg Luther Inner Circle, I show you the marketing campaigns, the actual offers to use, some of these little approaches you can use to do a better job for your prospect, thus getting a lot more people working with you. I don't have to tell you, if you can get a buyer's credit score repaired in 10 days by simply showing they have been paying on time, doing it legally, morally, and ethically, how many friends do you think they have that they will beg that person to contact you because you can help them immediately? So this is a real simple approach you can use. By the way, if you can see the description somewhere on this video here, I want you to watch a quick 40-minute presentation at getfastclosings.com. You'll see some of the marketing campaigns that you can utilize. Now, by the way, let me ask you, if you're watching this right now, is this resource helpful for you? Can you see how you would use that? Leave a comment for me here. Can you see how you would utilize this with some of the buyers that don't currently own a home, Maybe they've been renting and they don't show a good trade line. This will give them a 2-year trade line. Can you see how that would be helpful for you? Just yes or no in the comments here. And I think you'll find, and I don't care which company you use. Those people don't know me. That company doesn't know me. I don't get paid from it. Use whoever you want. But this is one that some of our agents have been using for quite a while and very, very reputable. Again, I think they charge like $94. And if your credit score doesn't go up, if you're not happy with exactly what they did, they give you your $94 back. So there's nothing, no real skin in the game here. But imagine what would happen if all of your buyers could get a credit score bump that quickly and get better quality loans. This is something you can advertise. This is a really good offer for you to put on Marketplace. This is a great offer for you to pick people up no matter where you're at. Sign calls, open houses, whatever it is that you're doing where you're meeting buyers. This is a really cool approach you can use to get them working with you. It's that whole law of reciprocity. If you're helping them out, they're going to be very, very excited to work with you because you can get them in a home they wouldn't be able to get in otherwise. And frankly, if they get their interest rate at the right rate, they're going to be able to afford a little bit more home too because they've got a paper, best quality mortgage. Okay, so again, real simple approach, just a tip I wanted to give you there. I know it's outside of what we usually do on the coaching and marketing side and that type of thing. Those of you that have been on some of my live trainings and that type of thing, I know it's always, you put some of those things in place and you're amazed at how quickly you're getting results. Well, let's face it, some of the leads we get are only going to have a credit score of 600 or 620 or whatever the case is. We can get them into an A paper mortgage by simply helping them out to become a better quality buyer. So, as a real estate agent, that's our job. We want to be legal, moral, and ethical and do the very best job that we can do. Our fiduciary responsibility for our clients. That family is going to love you for a long, long time to come. So anyway, thought I'd throw that out to you. I am back up in Ohio right now. We've got some horses racing here this weekend. I have 370 emails I have to go through tonight from all of our inner circle members out there hustling and closing lots of deals. So excited to see that, and I'm excited to help you along the way as well. You should see somewhere in the description here, getfastclosings.com. I want you to watch that. That's going to help you right now. It's a 40-minute presentation. Watch it right now. It's going to help you tremendously in growing your real estate business. Now, by the way, if this kind of stuff is helpful for you, if you need these tips, because I honestly believe, look at the title of this video, I honestly believe this may be the most profitable thing you can ever do. Think of how many buyers you've met that were just on the cusp or they were really close. How much more money would you have made at $8,000 a piece, $10,000 a piece? This may be a six-figure video for you, a six-figure tip. So there's a whole lot of programs available. If this thing is something that's helpful for you, I want you to follow this page and turn on notifications right now. Make sure you like this video, smash the like button there, follow this page, and turn on notifications because you're going to get some great tips. How much did it cost you today? Cost you $0. You got to get yourself making more money. You don't have a problem with expenses. You have a problem with income. And I think you'll find if you follow the right people, if you're doing the right things, you will grow your real estate business. So 2 websites to write down, rentreporters.com, very cool approach for the buyers you're working with, and then go to getfastclosings.com. You'll see a 40-minute presentation from me on several free approaches you can use to grow your real estate business. So hopefully that's been helpful for you. I'm Greg Luther. Get more details on us at gregluthercoaching.com. I want to turn off this trashy computer webcam in the hotel wearing shorts and a dress shirt because you can't. I don't even have any pants on, frankly. I'm just wearing a dress shirt. I'm kidding, mostly. So I'll plan on talking to you soon. I'm Greg Luther, and bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do, but you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.